Hi everyone, here is a guide on how to bold text on WhatsApp. You open your WhatsApp on your iPhone or your Android device, then you go to the chat where you want to type the bold text. You can search for the chat in the search icon at the top of your screen. You click on the chat. In the input field, before typing in your message, tap or type an asterisk. This is an asterisk. Then you type your message, and at the back of the message or after the message, you also type an asterisk. This will bold your message. Then you tap on the send button to send the message. So you have successfully bolded a text on WhatsApp. Do well to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.